Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: data jar installed, shortcuts enabled, and permissions granted. Open data jar and create a top-level container. Name it clearly because you will reference it often. Once done, add your first key using dot notation for nested values so future access is predictable. Make sure to choose the correct data type now, number versus text versus list, because data jar stores types strictly and incorrect types cause logic errors downstream. Now integrate data jar with shortcuts. Insert set value to write and get value to read keys inside your workflow. When handling complex data, convert it into dictionaries or lists so structure remains intact. This prevents loss of subkeys. Once you need multiple items, use repeat with an index to iterate lists rather than multiple get calls, which keeps performance tight. Also, chain conditional checks after reads to handle missing keys gracefully, because shortcuts should fail predictably rather than silently. To finish, test the whole shortcut end-to-end with representative data and edge cases so behavior is predictable in production. Make sure to add exists checks and supply sensible default values after reads to avoid crashes when keys are missing. Once verified, export or backup your data jar containers before making structural changes so you can roll back. If something breaks, first inspect the stored type and structure. Mismatched types are the most common cause, then restore from the last export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.